All right, let's talk about that glass skin goal. You know, that super luminous, poreless look that everyone's after? What if I told you the real secret isn't in some crazy expensive bottle, but it's actually hiding somewhere you'd never expect? Let's dive in and find out what it is. Yeah, you heard that right. We're about to flip the script on everything you thought you knew about skincare. Because that true, deep down radiant glow, it doesn't come from what you put on your skin. It's all about what you put in your body. Think about it like this. On one side, you've got all these expensive creams and serums that mostly just cover up the problem, giving you temporary results. But on the other side, you have a natural, sustainable way to heal your skin from the inside out. That's the glow we're talking about, a real radiance that's a sign of actual health. So let's head to the kitchen because we're about to uncover 5 incredible edible skincare treasures. Seriously, these aren't just foods. They are absolute powerhouses packed with everything your skin is craving to get that amazing glow. First up, we have a total legend in the world of natural beauty, amla, also known as the Indian gooseberry. Now, don't let its small size fool you. This little guy is a giant when it comes to antioxidants. And I'm not kidding here. Get ready for this. Amla has 20 times more vitamin C than an orange. Let that sink in. 20. And why does that matter? Well, vitamin C is basically the fuel for collagen. And you know, collagen is what keeps your skin looking firm, plump, and super youthful. So, how does it all work? Well, that massive collagen boost keeps your skin firm. But amla also revs up your body's levels of glutathione. That's your body's master antioxidant. This amazing molecule works from the inside to fade dark spots and pigmentation, which leads to a much brighter, more even skin tone. Okay, our next hero is the incredible, vibrant beetroot. If you've ever wished for that natural rosy blush without using any makeup, then listen up because this is your secret weapon. Beetroot is a triple threat. First, it helps your liver do its job of detoxing, and a happy liver means clearer skin and fewer pimples. It also boosts your hemoglobin, which gives your skin that beautiful rosy tint. And on top of that, it improves blood flow, delivering that fresh, vibrant, healthy-looking glow right to your face. Coming in at number 3 is the ultimate internal moisturizer, the coconut. I'm telling you, forget fancy lotions, this is deep hydration on a whole other level. It's a pretty simple 3-step process, really. The healthy fats in coconut moisturize your skin from the inside, keeping it super soft and helping to smooth out those fine lines. It also helps your gut health, and there's a huge connection there. An unhappy gut can lead to inflammation that shows up as acne. Oh, and a little pro tip. For the best skin benefits, you'll want to eat the fresh coconut flesh, or malai, not just drink the water. Our 4th hero is probably already sitting in your fridge. And get this. It's nature's much more affordable version of a super famous and super expensive skincare ingredient. That's right, it's carrots. They are loaded with beta-carotene, and your body is smart enough to convert that into retinol, you know, the gold standard ingredient for slowing down aging and smoothing out your skin's texture. This is literally an anti-aging treatment you can eat. And finally, our 5th hero is the amazing pomegranate. I want you to think of this as a super luxurious protective skin serum that you can just eat with a spoon. Let's just talk about antioxidant power for a second. Pomegranates have 3 times more antioxidants than even green tea. That's huge. This power helps protect your skin from sun damage, fade those old acne marks, and gives you another awesome collagen boost. Just remember, the real magic is in the seeds, not just the juice. Okay, so we've met our 5 champions, right? Each one is a total powerhouse on its own. But what do you think happens when these heroes join forces? This is where things get really interesting. This is it. This is the master secret. We're going to take the powers of our best heroes and combine them into one simple daily habit that will absolutely accelerate your results. There it is, the ultimate skin glow powerhouse juice. When you juice a carrot, a beetroot, and some amla together, you're creating this daily cocktail of natural retinol, circulation boosters, and a massive dose of vitamin C. It's the fastest way to get all those amazing nutrients into your system. Okay, knowing all this is one thing, but actually seeing a transformation is what we're after. So let's turn this information into action with a super clear, easy-to-follow plan. So this is it, your roadmap to that amazing glow. And you'll see it's actually super simple. In the morning, you're going to start with that powerhouse juice. With your meals, why not add a little amla pickle on the side? And for snacks,
grab some fresh coconut or those pomegranate seeds. But here's the most important part, the real secret. You've got to be consistent. Give it a solid 21 to 30 days, and I promise you are going to see a visible, can't-miss-it kind of glow.
And what's the result of all that consistency? It's not a temporary fix. It's skin that is truly healthier, visibly brighter, and glowing with a natural radiance that makeup just can't replicate. Your best skin is literally just a meal away.
So there you have it, 5 secret weapons for that incredible glow, and they're all just waiting for you in your kitchen. So the only question now is, which one of these superfoods are you going to start with?